In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 freeze issue when alt tabbing from any game. First, go to settings, then search for graphics settings. Under advanced, make sure you enable this option. And then find the game that you are playing. If you don't find it in this list, you can add it from add desktop app and then find the .exe folder for the game and then click add. Then you will click on the drop down menu for the game, select high performance and then turn this on. Now you type cmd run as administrator sfc /scan now and then press enter. This will take a few minutes, and once it's over, you can just close this down, and this should fix the issue.